Hi everybody,
I'm Sarah.
I'm Shole. We are from Iran.
Today we are gonna to make a dish named cutlet, and for making this dish we need some ingredients.
Like meat, potatoes, onion, egg, and some spices. First, we are going to grate the potatoes with the small part of grater. As you see, potatoes are raw. These are raw potatoes. It's not really difficult to do that.
Yeah, it's not difficult. It's easy, but it means
But be careful with your fingers.
And now we should press these grated potatoes to take the water. And now I show you how to press them.
I like this part.
Yeah.
As you see, there is a lot of water in a great potato. Next, I grate the onion with the same part, the small part of grater.
And we should do the same thing with onion. Press the onion after grating. We should press the onion to make them butter. And these are the water of the potatoes.
How much water?
Yeah.
Okay. As Sarah said, we do the same thing with onions.
Yeah.
We take the water off very carefully and nicely.
Oh, that's good.
And we put it here in a large bowl.
And now, after all of these steps, we mix all of our ingredients with each other and mix them thoroughly.
In a large bowl?
Yeah, in the large bowl. And now I show you how to mix them. First, this meat.
Potatoes.
Potatoes, grated potatoes. And 1 egg.
A large one.
Yeah.
Now we add salt, black pepper, cinnamon, and turmeric.
And we start to mix them, all of ingredients, mix them through. As I show you.
You have to mix it about 4 or 5 minutes.
And more.
Maybe more, yeah. can put more salt or pepper. It depends your taste.
Okay.
As you see, it's a nice mix. And you can put it in the fridge for 15 minutes.
15 or, for example, half
Or
an
30,
hour.
Yeah,
Half
30
an hour,
minutes.
yeah. Like this.
We preheat the pan and we add some oil and we let it a little bit hot.
And take a small of this mixture, such as a tangerine, and we shape them like a, look like an oval shape.
Oval shape, yeah. Not very teeny. Fried it until to be golden.
Like this.
Put it in the oil.
And let them to fry.
In a medium heat.
And you can fry one of these cutlets and taste it. And after your tasting, you can add some of spices. It depends on you. For example, you can add more pepper, more salt, more turmeric, cinnamon.
It's not ready yet. I check one, it's ready. I turn it to the other side. It's not ready yet. We can have this cutlet with rice, bread, French fries. Ready to be golden like this. Now you know how to cook cutlet.
We hope you make it at home and enjoy it.
So delicious.
Yeah, so delicious.